Hello friends, it's Danny here, and it's day 20 of my Tag a Day November series. If you haven't seen the previous day's videos, in the description box is a link to a playlist for all of this year's tags, as well as a playlist for all of the tags on my channel. I also will link up anything product-wise that is still available. As I have mentioned, I am trying to use from my stash and not worry about things that are current or not current, just kind of having fun, and I encourage you all to do the same. It's really fun. We buy all this stuff and then we keep buying. Well, okay, I'm probably speaking for myself, but I feel there's people out there. You just keep buying and buying and you forgot how much you really enjoyed some of the stuff you bought previously. So I didn't do as good of a job as I would have liked to this year with using my stash, but going forward, I am really focusing on it and just enjoying what I've bought. I think I've already said this before, so I apologize if I am repeating myself, but I just am keeping it in the forefront of my mind to not worry about stuff, just create and have fun. So, with that being said, I'm already rambling, I apologize. Onto what I used for my tag today. I used this super fun stamp set from Unity Stamps called Merry Whatever. This cat it's another one that just makes me giggle whenever I look at it. I used my Scrappy Boy Stamps Stitch Circle Nesting Dies. I used the Cat Scrappiness Stitched Scallop Nesting Tags. I really am thinking these are like, if they're not my favorite tag die, they're really up there. I reach for them often. And then I grabbed some paper. It's been in my stash. I looked for a date and I didn't find one, but I'm sure 10, 15 years probably. It's Spiceberry from Memory Box Company. I don't even know if they still make paper, but anyways. And here is my tag for today. It is the largest of that tag die set, so it is a pretty large tag. It's this great big one here, but I knew I wanted a circle with that cute cat, and so I was trying to find one that would work with it, and I did. Merry Whatever. I just love it. I found some ribbon. It's black, which is typically not like holiday colors, but I did add this strip here, so I thought it kind of all tied it together. Other colors that I tied, like the reds that I have are like a bright red, and this is not. So anyways, that's what I used, and yeah, I just think he is hilarious. And I think if I tried to dress up Alyssa, she would probably be that way. Like, just get this over with. And if you don't know, Alyssa's my cat. She's quite something, and I love her dearly. Anyways, there is my tag for day 20. So until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty and have a wonderful day. Bye now.